p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Union Parish until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Farmerville, or 21 miles northeast of Ruston, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Farmerville, Marion, Leanville, and Arbon Lake. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Union, Louisiana. A severe